West Michigan woman delivered her own baby in a snowstorm along US-131 this weekend. News 8's Kyle Mitchell spoke with the parents and has the family story all new at 7.
Hayes Gill had his own plan for his birth.
And I just pulled him out and put him up on my chest, and at that point Ryan had the vehicle stopped.
Parents Danielle and Ryan Gill were trying to get to Corewell Health Butterworth Hospital in downtown Grand Rapids Saturday night, but a snowstorm made things difficult.
She basically said, you know, baby's coming now. And so at that point I called 911 and I was talking to dispatch, and during that time she basically was delivering the baby, and it was a matter of 45 seconds to a minute between the time she said we're not going to make it to the time baby was here.
Ryan stopped the car at the Hall Street exit off of US-131.
By the time I got out of the car and ran around to the passenger side, she was holding him. And so we grabbed the towel from the back seat, wrapped him up the best we could, you know, rubbing the back, making sure baby was breathing.
They were also on the phone with their neighbor, who is a nurse who has helped deliver babies. Hayes is their fourth child, something Danielle says made a difference.
Had it been my first and not knowing from previous deliveries, I would have been so much more of a wreck than what I was.
When Danielle and Ryan arrived at Butterworth Hospital, the staff had everything ready to take care of mom and baby.
3 nurses there waiting for us with a bed. And I basically pulled in, ran over, opened the door. We transferred her right onto a bed.
The couple is grateful Hayes is healthy and say he came into the world with a story that was even rare for the staff at the hospital.
It's not something that they see every day. I think they mentioned that it happens maybe once a month where a baby is born outside of the hospital, but rarely in transit.
Reporting near Caledonia, Kyle Mitchell, News 8.